Hello and welcome to Steve's Vintage Model Builds. Hope everyone's well today. Excuse my casual pants. I'm going to assemble something a little different today. Um, so uh, First of all, I want to commend the lighting department. We had our weekly meeting yesterday, and there's been much improvement, and they're definitely on the upswing. And that's part of what we have to do here today is I got a new lamp for the hobby room that I have to put together. And so I've been working with the lighting. As far as sound goes, yeah, that's the next project. When in yesterday's meeting, I made it clear that we needed to do better with the sound, and no special effects yet. Sorry. So, anyways, this shouldn't take long, and it's just a simple assembly. So, no FaceTime today. You get knee and socks and feet time if you're so inclined. In any case, let's see what we got. So, come in a box like this, and gives you instructions on how to open it, tear, and pull to open. This would be here. Steve, pull an Oxley. Okay, so we got a good sturdy cardboard sleeve box thing. And this came from you know where. It's hard to avoid, unfortunately, but there we go. Hopefully that'll be changing as more high quality manufacturing comes back to the United States. Anyways, okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, obviously this is the lamp, right? With the manual controls, there's also a remote plug. Two batteries, I expect for the remote, double A's or triple A's. Over there. Yeah, they're triple A's. Happy Lamp user manual. A base. Nice and heavy. I expect this is the holder for the remote control. Nice touch. And a very simple remote control itself. On, off, brightness. There's something to do with a monitor here. Maybe it's for when you're computer screening or something. So we'll go through all of that. And of course we have the stand, or whatever you call those things, that part of the stand. Okay, so that can be set aside, and I'll scoot over here. I do have a funny angle, don't I? Come on. No, we don't want that. There. Okay, and so here we are. We have instructions in multiple languages. Starts off with English. Welcome. Thank you for choosing our product. We're devoted to creating professional, high quality. La 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 la. To ensure optimum performance and safety, please read the instructions. Easy to assemble, rotating assembly, 3 aluminum rods, 1 gooseneck, 3 minutes, and easy to install or disassemble without additional tools. Well, how about that? The manual touch button function has on-off, short press for what they call color temperature. I guess, I don't know, that's luminosity or whatever. And long press for stepless brightness. Mode switching, leisure mode, light therapy mode, work mode, night light mode. 30-minute, 60-minute timer. Timer indicator left for 30 minutes on the left, right on 60 minutes. Remote control. Light therapy mode. Get this. Well, you can see it. Got light therapy mode, brightness, color temperature, leisure mode, timer, the 2 different timers, timer off, night light mode, brightness, color temperature, and working mode. Okay, there's some cautions and warnings here, and notes on how to correctly dispose of the product. Yeah, you have to take it to your electronics recycler. Okay, and that's what we get. As I said, in multiple languages, a lot of languages. Looks like, yeah, so great. All right, so yeah, this doesn't look like it's going to be too complex. So I guess we start with the base, huh? Boom, 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 boom. Anybody remember that music? That's right. It starts with the bass. From a very funny and very popular cop comedy in the 1970s. If you know what I'm talking about, leave a comment. Why isn't this going in? Oh, they didn't tell you that. Okay, there you go. So these 2 went together. They have male connections. And then this one is 2 female connections. And it does matter which end is which. So, yeah. Okay, so then that goes in here. It's in there. That doesn't seem to be. That's not doing the thing either. I got this all backwards. Okay, so far so good. Another twist. 3. So you can see, you know, it's a fair, you know, I don't know, it's 5 feet tall or something. Okay, it takes a fair bit of torque. Oh, my goodness, there we go. Okay, so here we are now. Now, where does it plug in? All the way up there. Okay. There we go. I'll stand up here and, oh yeah, that's even a bit taller than me, so probably about 6 feet by when the thing's up like that. Okay. It's just a standard, whatever, AC-DC adapter, 100 to 240, 50, 60 hertz. Okay, nice long cord. Blue light comes on when you plug it in. Green light comes on when you on the unit. Well, maybe we will have some FaceTime here. Let me do this. There. We don't need that much ceiling. There. Okay, and we got a little resealable plastic bag. Not worth keeping. All right. Excuse me. So we're through the middle of November now, and it's been very November-ish for here. Wet, cold, gloomy, although we have had some nice sunshine. Always welcome when it comes. We're in La Nina right now. May extend well into January, so that'll mean a wet winter for us. Always managed to work in 1 or 2 major snowstorms that shut the whole place down. Okay, so we got on, off. this down a bit. Okay, and it's kind of okay. And then what's next? Okay, the top button here is for brightness. It's graduated. This button, it's a coffee cup. Oh no, it's not. It's this button, the plus button, is for the color temperature. There's supposed to be quite a few of those. And this is brightness down. Night mode, let's just for the heck of it, leisure mode. Oh, that's pretty bright. And working mode. Oh, that's really bright. Holy cow. And then of course you've got the color temperature. Oh, well, this is great then. Okay, so off. Okay, so there it is. That goes in the handy little holder there, and yeah. 69.99 plus tax. So I'm going to rate that a good buy, and hopefully, yeah, hopefully it'll work out, and it'll work out good for both when I'm at the workbench working away, as well as when I'm making videos. All right, so thanks again to everyone. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you've enjoyed the little thing, and we'll be seeing you. Bye now.